Hi, okay, so let's look at an example of cosine similarity. So say we're given the following data. We have John and Michael, and let's say this is like the number of pets they have, and maybe they're like avid movie and TV show collectors or watchers, and this is how many movies they have in their collection and TV shows. So looking at this data set, if we wanted to find the similarity between this data, we could use cosine similarity. So cosine similarity is defined as the cosine of theta. In this case, since we have two vectors, would be um, v dot w divided by the magnitude of v times the magnitude of w. And basically solving this out, we can plug in our data of this table. Since we have essentially two vectors, v defined by John's data set as the top row and Michael as w. This would be the same thing as writing this out as the dot product of v and w would be 5 times 5 plus 1683 times 3982 plus 1670 times 3325. And then this would be divided by the multiplying the two magnitudes of v and w together, and we could write that out as so the magnitude of v would be the square root of 5 squared plus 1683 squared plus 3982 squared. We would multiply that by the magnitude of w, or Michael's data set, which is 5 squared plus 3982 squared plus 3325 squared. So simplifying these calculations, plugging this into a calculator, we'll get approximately 0.996. And as I said earlier, since this cosine similarity is so close to 1, that means that there is high similarity in the data set, and we can kind of view this just looking at the data ourselves. So that was an example of cosine similarity.